It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Philly the Foal. Morning, Woofy. Morning, Rabbits. There's Honk the car. Today, Honk's going to see what the animals in Springland love to eat. Each animal has a favorite food. Morning, Mr. Porky, says Honk. What do pigs like to eat? Well, Honk, mumbles Mr. Porky, we pigs like to eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables. They taste yummy and fill our tummy. Horse and cow are eating the same thing. Honk wonders what it can be. Does that taste nice? Asks Honk, not too sure about what horse and cow are eating.
Oh, yes. Hay is delicious,
explains Mrs. Cow.
Hay's made from dry grass.
Honk couldn't imagine that eating dry grass could be very yummy. But Honk is a car, not a horse. Come along, Honk, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Woofy has found something special to eat. Woofy has found a bone. All dogs love eating bones. It makes them strong. Isn't that bone too hard to eat? Asks Honk. Not if you're a dog with big, strong teeth, explains Swoosh Swoosh. Listen to those noisy baby ducks. What are they eating? Worms? Yuck! Shouts Swoosh Swoosh. How could anyone like to eat worms? Mother Duck explained that ducks love worms. Worms are yummy, if you're a duck. Well, I'm glad I'm not a duck, says Swoosh Swoosh. I'd rather be a helicopter any day. But Swoosh Swoosh, you already are a helicopter, laughs Honk.
Come along, babies. Let's see if we can find some yummy snails to eat,
quacks Mother Duck. Snails! Look, there's Dolly the dolphin. What do dolphins eat? Toot the boat explained that every living creature has a favorite food. The yummiest food for a dolphin is little fish. Why do all the other animals in Springland like different food? Asks Swoosh Swoosh. Well, Swoosh Swoosh, everyone is different, explains Toot the boat. Different animals need to eat different food to grow big and strong. Look, there's Foal. He loves to eat fresh green grass. Have fun and enjoy your yummy food, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoosh Swoosh. See you next time. It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely warm night in Springland. Everyone is already fast asleep. There's Honk the car. Tonight, there's a special surprise in Springland. Toot the boat has invited Honk to come to the harbor. Honk loves nighttime. Listen to those sounds. Can you hear the owl, the crickets, the frogs croaking? Honk knows this sound. It's Swoosh Swoosh, the helicopter. Oh, are you going to see the special surprise too? Whispers Honk. Yes, whispers Swoosh Swoosh back. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh don't know what the surprise is yet. There's Toot the boat. Look at how high the water is. The sea looks very full. What is the surprise, Toot? Please tell us, asks Honk, really wanting to know.
Can you see how high the water is?
Asked Toot. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh could see that the water in the harbor is very full.
When the water is high, we call it high tide. Once a month, something special comes that makes the waters rise,
explains Toot. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh wanted to know what could make the sea so high. Look, there's Wally the whale.
Is it time yet, Wally?
Asked Toot. Okay, everybody, close your eyes and don't open them until I tell you, says Toot.
You can open your eyes now,
calls Toot. Wow! The beautiful full moon over the sea. Now that's a surprise worth waiting for. Wally and his friends from the sea are enjoying the light from the moon. Now it's time for bed. Honk is very happy since he got to see the full moon. Honk can easily find his way back home. Thanks, Moon. Thanks for shining so brightly. Have nice dreams, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoosh Swoosh. See you next time.